Welcome to my channel. Your tutor Mariam is here. It's the 42nd video of Introductory Physics 1, and the fourth video I'm going to talk about the laws of motion. That is the fifth subject of Introductory Physics 1. In this video I'm going to solve a couple of examples about the force. If you are new to Introductory Physics 1 and like to learn more, hit the subscribe button and like for more. You ready? Let's get started. In this problem, I need to find the net force for F1 plus F2, right? So if I have a vector as F1 and F2, which make the right angle together, then my net force should have a 45-degree between F1 and F2, right? I talk about this vector in chapter 3. I'm gonna put a link below. Feel free to check it out. That means B can be a correct answer. There is another option too, like F1 can be like this, and then F2 start from tail of F1. So it's like that's gonna be my F2, and then F1 plus F2 gonna start from the head of F1, and then it's gonna end it up from F2. That's gonna be my net force, and I do have this option T. Let's look at option A here. What is A means? So I'm gonna look at A. So let's say I have a vector as F1, and then the other one is F2. They make a right angle to each other, and now we start from F2 and then ended up in F1, right? That's what I have as a net force. So if you go back to chapter 3, you can find it as a F1 minus F2. So F1 minus F2 means that the net force should start from the tail of F2 and then ended up with the head of F1. That's the meaning of F1 minus F2. And C here is meaningless. So it's neither F1 plus F2 or F1 minus F2. Let's look at the next example. Suppose we push the mass of 2 kilograms with the force of 2 newtons, and it has an acceleration of 1 meter per second squared. And then we push the body with a mass of x, and the acceleration gonna be 0.2. It has the same force, and then we need to find the mass of x. Let me write down what we have. For mass of 1, we have the force as m times a, right? It says mass is 2 kilograms, force is 2 newtons, and then of course acceleration gonna be 1 meter per second squared, right? For the second one, let's label it as 1. I need to find the mass. Acceleration is 0.25 meter per second squared, right? Also is mentioned that F1 is equal to F2, right? So my F1 is m1 a1 equal to m2 a2, correct? My m1 here is 2 kilograms. My acceleration is 1. I need to find m2, which is x right here, and then acceleration is 0.25, right? And then if I do the math, my m2 gonna be equal to 8 kilograms, correct? And that's gonna be my final answer. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my video, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.